Hello there class and welcome. My name is Carl-Olof and I'll be your substitute teacher for the next 5 minutes. And today we will be learning about the dilution factor. So what do we have in front of us? A dog in a vase, hot water, coffee and cold water. So let's jump straight to it by adding the hot water. Yeah, you can see the ear is trying to escape from the platform the dog was standing on. Don't worry, I come here. Let's go first. There we go. Just pick up the dog and flip the platform and align to the center. There we go. And put the dog back on the platform. One more try. Okay, so now it's time to add some coffee and to do some math, because everyone loves math. And there is 0.8 liters to the red mark, which means that every spoon we add will be 1.25 spoons per liter. There we go, 1 spoon. We wait for equilibrium to set in. And you can still see the dog. There we go. From this side and from above. Wait for equilibrium to set in. It's not very visible, but you can still see the dog, so we're going to add another half a spoon. We're at 2.5 spoons now. And there we go. The dog disappeared. Let's have a look. No dog, no dog. Time to start diluting. So this is 400 milliliter, meaning that we will be having a dilution factor of 1.5. Let's see. Oops, the dog tipped over. Alright, back in business. The dog is standing square in the center again. And now we're adding 800 milliliters, meaning we will dilute it 2.5 times in total, meaning we're back to 1 spoon added, so to speak, or 1.25 spoons per liter. And here we go. Of course, you have the water rushing down, which is why the dog tipped over last time. And there we go. And the dog is visible again, as you can see. Let's have a closer look. There we go, dog. Of course, the dilution is the same, so the dog should be visible from all sides. And oh no, what happened? Okay then, let's try to figure this one out. The dilution was the same, but the dog was visible only from the side and not from the top. To make sure, let's have another look. As you can see, clearly visible from the side. Let's go up again to the top. And the same result. Pitch black, we cannot see the dog. Okay, so let's solve this. Here is human eyes observing the visible light, and of course here comes the light. There we go, and it's absorbed and emitted or reflected on the dog, and then it goes out. And it's the same story if you're looking from above. Here comes the light, it's reflected or it's absorbed and emitted, and then it goes to the human eye. And then we just fill in the lines for this picture as well. So these are coffee particles. So there you can see there are 12 coffee particles here, and there are 12 coffee particles here. So it's the same total amount of coffee, but the concentration is half in the glass to the right. And if we count the number of coffee particles in the path here, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, something like that. And from above it's around the same, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. But if you look at the one to the right, where you have diluted it to half, if you look from the side, it's only 1, maybe 2 coffee particles in the way here. But if you look from above, you still have the same amount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that, right? So even though you dilute it, the light has to travel through the same amount of coffee if you look from above, but it doesn't have to travel through the same amount of coffee particle if you look from the side. And that's what happened here. So today's lecture was about the dilution factor, but it was also about the travel path of light. And that will be all for today. Thank you for your time.